All right, so we're gonna try and follow 2 FRSs. Let's see if I can, I guess say, hold the car back in a way. It might be too fast. Freaking stopped the recording on the last quarter.
That was really good.
I thought I wasn't recording because I was looking out trying to see that. That's how I messed up mid corner.
I was trying to figure out what you were doing because you freaking like you started clicking. I'm like, what's he doing?
Yeah, I messed up mid corner. Dang. But yeah, that was pretty good. I accidentally stopped the recording. Talking to the GoPro. Stopped the recording right at the end because I thought the GoPro was off and I was trying to capture it, so that was my bad. But we're gonna go again. There go Daniel right there. Oh, there go both of them. First accident of the day.
Hopefully that's the last accident of the day.
That went too. That man Una Daily out here. We're about to do some test laps, then we'll get some tandems in. Coming in. How was that?
My second lap did alright. I crashed in the first lap.
You what? You crashed the first lap?
Yeah, I hit the tire right here, like the inside.
Yeah.
Came in. Oh, I'm fucking rusty. I need new front tires too, but I didn't have enough time to get the new front tires before it came.
It's all good.
Other than that, it was different from a 300, but I like it. I just need some more front grip.
Oh, I got you. I got you.
I'm about to go back out there again.
Yeah, you going with us?
I'll go behind y'all. I'm not going. I'll let y'all go first.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's probably got way more torque than a 300 though.
A little bit, but it's a 2.5 liter instead of a 3 liter, so it's like.
Oh, I got you.
My friend has a manual 300. Me and him going to race, but we haven't had time to race it yet. But I'm curious who's going to win.
So you told me to go in the front, or? Okay.
Nobody go?
Front. Yep.
Go, but I'm gonna just.
You can be in the back.
I'm gonna stay hell a little back.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I probably did.
I don't think you did. I think you're right on him. I thought you were gonna hit him. You didn't.
I thought I was gonna hit him too.
You got off on him.
That was pretty good.
That was a good run.
Yeah, that was good. I went way too hard right there.
Oh really?
I was way too hot. I was like,
hey, y'all hit each other?
No.
nah, I was just could've, but I knew I wasn't gonna spin out.
Oh, gotcha. messed up this time. Say, mess around and spun out.
I spray my shit every lap, but did you see that drone that was dead?
Yes, bro. That junk got freaked me out and it messed me up for that downhill section.
I straightened out, but I ain't want to run over it.
I didn't either.
Like $1,000.
Yeah, I know. I tried to dodge it. Actually, he was actually flying behind us. Believe it or not.
It died or something, dude. You seen it on the ground?
Yeah, it's popping up and down. I tried to dodge it and it freaked me out. But I'm about to
spray them on and I don't know if y'all want to go, but it'll take me like 20 seconds.
Okay. All right. Oh yeah, I'm good.
Still got some more runs in?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Huh?
You just hit the sub-frame, you're good.
Oh, okay. Not too bad.
Yeah, let's be in the back this time. Be in the back this time. What's in the back?
You or me?
Oh, me. Yeah, be in the back.
I'll follow you this time.
Gotta leave?
Yeah.
All right, man.
I feel like
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, me too. I definitely will.
Oh yeah.
Watch our road, man.
Oh yeah. My tires are dead. That's the problem.
This thing fucking slings.
Hell yeah.
Try and get a chase run.
Traction going down the hill, that's all.
Yeah, you ain't lying. I felt it slip, then it hooked. Yep, I think that's all it got. It's 5 o'clock now.
Yeah. your name?
Trevor.
My name
What's
is
your
Caleb.
name?
Nice to meet you.
You said
man.
James?
Caleb.
Caleb?
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you too, man.
I appreciate it.
No problem, man. And you have a good one too. The track's pretty much closing, but I might try and get at least one more lap. My tires are literally like done. But try and get at least one more lap. Get a good one in. Drifting, as you already know, it's the greatest thing you can ever do in a car. Out of grip.
Them truck engines ain't a joke. That's a Chevy truck in front.
That's a truck engine with a supercharger on it.
That shit fucking dumb. When it gets there,
yeah.
See, you did.
I appreciate it, bro.
See, it feels like you can't go like, and you clutch kick in it. Yeah.
It literally just carried the car back and out.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying?
Literally. Tried to brake.
It's all good.
About to go fast, ain't he? What you about to do?
He better rush it.
Oh snap!
Hold on, I want to see this.
I want to see this too. God, bro, the freaking owners are monsters. That's crazy. I get one more run?
Fuck.
Let's try it one more time.
That was good. That was good.
Appreciate it. Let's see. You think I get one more?
Yeah, hell yeah. Go to him. Put your thumb up to him. He'll probably.
Can I follow you?
He's cool as it. You want to run?
Can I follow you?
What's up?
Can I follow you?
Sure.
Oh snap! We about to follow the owner. Oh snap!
He got my.
Yo!
You might have hurt his feelings, Lucky. You might have hurt his. Yeah, you was on his fucking dick, bro.
Yo!
You might have hurt his feelings.
Oh
You
my
might want to go
God.
talk to him.
Yo, that was the host of the whole entire thing. That was the host of the event.